Hey guys! Today I'll be showing you an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to reverse parallel park. Step 1. Check if you have enough space. Ideally, you need at least 1.5 times the length of your car. Step 2. Align the rear bumper of your car with the rear bumper of the car in front. Also, make sure to keep at least a 2 feet gap from the car next to you. Step 3. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. Step 4. Start reversing slowly until you can see both headlights of the car behind in your rearview mirror. Step 5. Once you see them, straighten the steering wheel. Step 6. Continue reversing until the front of your car just passes the rear bumper of the car in front. Step 7. Now turn the wheel all the way to the right and reverse gently until your car is parallel to the curb. Step 8. Straighten your wheels and make small adjustments needed to center yourself nicely in the space. Congratulations! Now you know how to reverse parallel park. Please like and subscribe for more content like this.